Hello. So this application called Chatter Sort by Date allows you to sort your chatter messages by date. So it could be from previous messages to the latest messages or from latest messages to the previous messages. And it will work with sales, invoicing, purchase, and multiple applications. So let's see how it looks if we are using in the sales module. So if I go to sales, I have already created a sales order here. So let's say I'm opening this particular sales order and I'll be able to see all the details of the sales order, all the chatter, the log note, the messages that has been sent, the emails, everything in the chatter here. So here you can see it starts from 5th, then it was yesterday, then it was today, but this is the default, right? So even the previous messages the sales order created, which was 2 days ago, so previous messages goes down and down as we keep on adding new messages on the top. So if you want to, this is like the latest message and this is the oldest message, so this is the sort that you have in the default system. But maybe you want the oldest message to be first and the latest at the end, you can always use this toggle button over here and sort this by dates. So if I sort this by dates, you'll have the latest one. You can see September 5th when the sales order was created. The oldest one on the top and the latest one at the bottom. You can always toggle between the dates from the previous or the latest messages, and you can easily read your messages. The same thing applies to purchases and invoice as well. So if you have any invoice, you can see the messages here as well in the invoice as well. So if I open any of the invoice, you can see this is 5th September and today is 7th. So if I add a note, let's say thank you, I will log this. Maybe I also confirm this invoice and I maybe register the payment. You can see the invoice has been confirmed. I will register the payment. And this dates as 5th and this dates as today. But if I want to toggle between the dates, I can do that easily. So this is how the application works. On top of that, this application also works for portal users. So let's see how that looks. Okay, so this is one of the portal users account. So here you can see you have one sales order for this particular user. So if I open the sales order, I'll be able to see all the history of the chatter underneath this. You can see. So this starts from 6th and then you have the 7th, but you can also sort this by date from here. So you'll have the 6th first and then you'll have the 7th. So 6, 7, 8, it goes that way. And if you want it the other way, you can do that as well. So even the portal users will be able to use this functionality and they can sort their messages by date very easily, making it easier for them to read. So I hope this application was useful to you. If you have any questions, please leave your questions in the comment section below and we will get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, thank you.